start now, Sana. Hello, namaste, and a very warm good afternoon to one and all presented here. I, DP Singh, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering at Government Engineering College, Bilaspur, feel immense pleasure to welcome you all to this valedictory ceremony of this 5 days faculty development program titled GIS and Remote Sensing, organized by Department of Civil Engineering and sponsored by AICT under AICT Training and Learning Academy. It's my privilege to welcome our chief guest, Shri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS, Secretary of Government of Chhattisgarh at the Department of Technical Education. I welcome Shri Divakar Mishra, retired IFS officer, State Project Administrator of SPIU Chhattisgarh, and also the presiding over of our ceremony. Our guest of honor, Dr. C.S. Verma, Regional Officer and Assistant Director, Central Region Office of AICTE. Principal Sir, Dr. B.H. Chawla, and the last but not the least, all the participants. To start, I would like to invite Dr. Seema Chauhan, Associate Professor at the Department of Civil Engineering and also the coordinator of this FDP, to give a brief detail about this program.
Hello, thank you, DP. Chief guest of the function, respected Sri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS Secretary, Chhattisgarh Technical Education Department. Today's presiding over respected Sri Divakar Mishra, retired IFS, State Project Administrator, SPIU Chhattisgarh, guest of honor, respected Chandrasekhar Verma, Regional Officer, CRO AICT Bhopal, respected Dr. B.S. Chawla, Principal Government Engineering College Bilaspur, Dr. M.L. Agrawal Sir, Head of the Department Civil Engineering, dear participants and respected faculty of Government Engineering College Bilaspur. A warm good afternoon to all of you. As the coordinator of this faculty development program, I welcome you all in the valedictory function of 5 days online Atal FDP on GIS and remote sensing, started on 23rd November and organized by Civil Engineering Department of Government Engineering College Bilaspur. GIS and remote sensing have been identified as one of the emerging areas by AICT. Very few numbers of training faculties are there in this area. To train the faculty in these emerging areas, AICT Training and Learning Academy, named Atal, is funding institute to organize the faculty development program in these areas. We are thankful to AICT Atal for accepting our proposal and funding this FDP. 139 participants from 19 states of India have participated in this FDP. We would like to thank all the participants for their active participation. We have participants from different disciplines of engineering and other fields. In these 5 days, we covered basic advancements in GIS and remote sensing and applications of GIS and remote sensing. Overall, 14 sessions have been conducted. Experts in the area of GIS and remote sensing have delivered their lectures online. Experts from Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun, URSC ISRO, NIT Raipur, Technical University Bhilai, and the Agriculture University Raipur have been invited as resource persons. I would like to thank all the resource persons to share their knowledge and experience with us. We will greatly acknowledge Dr. Alok Srivastava sir, Deputy Director, Alumni of this institute. He is a Deputy Director in URSC ISRO for his support and help in this FDP. I hope this training will have contributed in updating knowledge of the participants in GIS and remote sensing. I wish all the participants to have excellence in their respective fields. Thank you very much. Again, I thank all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now request Dr. Emil Agarwal, Head, Department of Civil Engineering, to share a few words with us.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody present here. Honorable Sri Dhananjay Devangan, sir, Secretary to Government of Chhattisgarh Technical Education Department and Chief Guest of today's valedictory function. Honorable Sri Diwakar Misra, sir, retired IFS and SPA Chhattisgarh and chairing today. Honorable Sri C.S. Verma, Regional Officer, AICT for Central Region Bhopal, and our own alumni. Honorable Dr. B.S. Chawla, sir, our Principal of Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. Dr. Seema Chauhan, Associate Professor, Civil Engineering and Coordinator of this FDP, and all participants. I welcome you all on behalf of our Civil Engineering Department of Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. This department was started with the beginning of this institute in 1964 and has a glorious history with a galaxy of distinguished alumni spread over globally. And one of our alumni is sitting over here in the function also, distinguished alumni. Even Professor Chawla, myself, Professor Seema Chauhan, we are all alumni of GEC Bilaspur, and we are proud to be alumni of this institute. Our department is a NBA accredited department. That's why we could get these two FDPs under AICT Atal program this year. Before this FDP, we already conducted one FDP on infrastructure engineering between 12th of October to 16th of October. Nearly 80 participants participated successfully in that particular FDP. And this FDP also we got a overwhelming response from the participants. These FDPs actually we got mainly due to our department is an NBA accredited department. Okay. Now we are at the closing ceremony of this wonderful FDP that is on the latest technology, GIS and remote sensing. As someone told, around 14 sessions that were engaged by different resource persons. 139 participants successfully attended this program. I once again wish you a warm welcome to this closing ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. If your action creates a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, and do more, then you are an excellent leader. With these words, I would like to invite Dr. B.S. Chawla, Principal, Government Engineering College, Bilaspur, to deliver his welcome address.
Thank you, Deepi. AICT Training and Learning. Under this banner, this particular program on GIS and remote sensing, this FDP was organized. It started on 23rd of November, and today is the concluding day. Chief guest in today's program, Honorable Sri Dhananjay Devangan sir, IAS, an alumni of NIT Raipur. He is Secretary in Department of Technical Education, Government of Chhattisgarh. Sri Diwakar Misra sir, who is presiding today's program. He is State Project Administrator of TechUp3 and he is a retired IFS officer. The special guest of today's program are alumni Mr. Chandrasekhar Verma ji, CRO from AICT Central Region Bhopal, Program Coordinator, Madam Sima Chauhan, HOD of Civil Department, Professor Emil Agarwal, all professors of this college, and participants from 19 various states of this nation. I'm glad that this program has reached to this successful completion. I got the feedbacks. I interacted with participants. They have expressed immense satisfaction. The agencies which catered us, the experts like Indian Institute of Remote Science, ISRO, NIT, Raipur, IIT Kharagpur. I am thankful to them. All those dignified faculties, professors, and industrial experts, they told a lot about GIS and remote sensing. And I'm sure all the participants must have learned.
10 क्वेश्चन चेंज करना पड़ेगा मेरे को
GIS,
जो फॉर्म है
you all know about GIS.
हाँ
that
ये
now
क्योंकि
you have to
आप
handle the
वो
data
फॉर्म जैसे
related
सबमिट
to
करते हैं वो उनका
geographic
रिस्पॉन्स
science,
पास चला जाता है
geospatial,
अब वो
how to capture the data,
जो
how to
पार्टिसिपेंट्स
collect
के पास
it, how
उनके पास
to
जो
interpret
पार्टिसिपेंट
it,
है
and finally how to use it for formulation of policies.
नहीं
This
AICT के
was
पास
the
सभी कुछ
objective to
हम
give
लोग
you
अपने पोर्टल में
some
एंट्री करते हैं मार्क्स
insight about this area. You'll be all will be
नहीं
happy,
इनको जैसे ही वो
and
सबमिट
I'm
क्लिक
also
करते हैं ना
feeling
उनका एक
proud
रिस्पॉन्स
to
उनके मेल पे जाता है
inform you
जो
that
उनका
our
रिस्पॉन्स
college
होता है
is going to start its
उनका
first
नंबर नहीं
PG
जाएगा मैम उनका
program
जो रिस्पॉन्स
in
क्लिक किए
thermal
होंगे ना
engineering
क्वेश्चन में बी
from
दबाए
this
होंगे इसमें
session.
वो
That
उनके
is
पास पहले
another
से होगा
achievement of our
अब एक आध
mechanical
क्वेश्चन में
department.
फिर चलता है
And
लेकिन
already the speakers have informed you we are having 4 MBAs out of 5 eligible branches and 4 PhD research centers we are conducting smoothly in the college.
बाकी
In coming days, other departments will organize many more such programs, and I am thankful to AICT who have posed their confidence, and we could prove ourselves that we can organize such things very successfully. I am extremely thankful to Secretary Sir
क्योंकि ना
who has
देखिए
spared his
मैम
valuable time in
जो
spite
दिया
of
है ना
his
वो
very
पूरे
busy
170
schedule.
लोग हो गया है अब कई लोग
Thank
आते
you
नहीं
all
थे
once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving ahead, I would like to
नहीं तो
invite
हम लोग
Mr.
कहाँ से
Vivek Singh
बताते हैं कि
Rathore,
कौन से मेल आईडी
Assistant
वाले लोग
Professor
आ रहे हैं कौन से नहीं
ETLT,
आ
to coordinate the feedback session.
व्हाट्सएप
कोई बात नहीं प्लीज को क्लियर रखो तुम थोड़ा सा
तो अभी तो डिक्लेयर करना है ना कि सब पास है
Vivek, sir.
सब पास करो इसमें जो अपन को बहुत दिख रहे हैं अच्छा विवेक कुछ है तुमको बुला रहे थे
हेलो
Yes, sir.
okay ma'am for the feedback session I would like to call Mrs. Bharti Prasad, assistant professor from Meenakshi Institute of Technology from Bangalore. Bharti ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here only. Good afternoon, everyone here presented. My salutation, as he has told, I'm from Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. But the fact is, I'm daughter of Chhattisgarh only. I'm passed out of BTech, MTech, both from NIT Raipur. I'm settled in Bangalore, so I'm working here. And I'm immensely thankful and I'm feeling proud that such a wonderful FDP is being conducted from my own state. Actually, when I was very particular. I have to do something in remote sensing and GIS because I'll be looking for doing my PhD in the same area. And when I was going through, there were almost 5 more FDPs in the Atal, same remote sensing and GIS. And I was going through the content for all the schedule, what are the speakers, and this I found was the best because you're hands-on there, and even it is the more is like. The practical experience is being shared, as the beginning was the theory part, then hands-on, then practical aspect. And I can say that my selection was really I should say that my selection was correct. I'm totally satisfied. And I would say that it's so nice that I have seen the photo when the satellite was not there till the latest technology of the drone. So it has gone very well, and I would say even the organizer has utilized this online thing very nicely, because we know people are there in ISRO, we know people are there in IRS, but it is very tough to go there and to call those people. So because it is online, they have taken the opportunity very nicely, and very nice expert, means best in their area, has been called as a speaker. So it is very nice to listen from the expert, and even the organizer was very nice. Everything was smooth, and they were so humble. If I've not as much doubt, because I'm presently not working now. After this, I get a confidence. Yes, I can start from this end to do my research. At least the student under me, UG, at least UG level project. Now I can go ahead like anything. Yes, definitely for PhD and other thing, I may need a little more depth knowledge, but it was really good. I have something to take away where I can start my work, not the takeaway. Usually we get the takeaway of only brushing up the knowledge, but here I have the takeaway where I can start my research work. Thank you very much for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Bharti ma'am, for your wonderful feedback. And now I would like to call Professor Alka Sharma. She is Assistant Professor in Electrical Triple E branch from Institute of Technology, Korba. Alka ma'am. Alka ma'am, please unmute your mic.
Now I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. Respected chief guest of today's valedictory program, Honorable Devangan sir, Honorable Divakar Mishra sir, Honorable Verma sir, respected Dr. B.S. Chawla sir, Principal GEC Bilaspur, Dr. M.L. Agarwal sir, Principal IT Korba, Program Coordinator Dr. Seema Chauhan, all the dignitaries and participants. The Faculty Development Program organized by GEC Bilaspur with plenty of learning and experiences for the participants who were faculties from different institutions across the nation. I would like to thank all the resource persons who has taken pain and invested their valuable time to share their important knowledge with us. The goal of this FDP was to enhance teaching techniques and promoting the applications of GIS and remote sensing of which we are not aware. This FDP program was a success in its objectives of stimulating the need of participants to develop their applied viewpoint on GIS and remote sensing. I would like to thank the program coordinator, Dr. Seema Chauhan, Madam, for this FDP of a great success. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Vivek Singh Rathore and DP Singh to maintain the right perspective, which is very important for the success of any FDP. In the last, I would like to thank GEC Bilaspur to bring almost 139 faculties and scientists from different institutes to bring them together through this digital platform. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now in the series, I would like to call Professor Deepika Bairagi. She is Assistant Professor in Government Engineering College, Bilaspur, Electronics and Telecommunication Department. Deepika, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all respected dignitaries present. Myself, Deepika Bairagi, Assistant Professor in Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. First of all, I would like to congratulate the patron Dr. B.S. Chawla and coordinator Dr. Seema Chauhan for organizing such a productive faculty development program. This FDP truly have achieved all its objective, and all the presentations were very effective, and the resource persons were very knowledgeable in their field. And it was a great pleasure to listen from such well-experienced person. This FDP surely have benefited all the participants, and all of us have gained very new informations and idea and fresh knowledge, which will help us in our research and workplace. Thank you for enlightening us with very informative ideas and resources. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Deepika ma'am. So this was the feedback session. Now, Deepi ma'am, you can continue.
Thank you so much, Vivek sir. Moving ahead, with immense pleasure, I would like to invite Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma, Regional Officer and Assistant Director, Central Regional Office of AICTE, to address the gathering. Chandrasekhar sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Good morning to one and all. Today's chief guest, Dr. B.S. Chawla, Principal, Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. My respected resource persons, dear faculty members, and organizing committee, particularly Dr. Seema Chauhan. Just now, I got a wonderful feedback from participants, and I am happy to know that every participant
Hello, Verma sir.
Verma sir, your voice is not coming.
I think he is facing some technical issue. Hello, Verma sir, are we audible to you?
You can request him to reconnect.
Yes, sir.
CS Verma sir?
sir, sorry. Now my computer is closed, I don't know why. So I am connecting with my right. So sorry for interference or disturbance. So can I start again, sir?
Yes, sir. Surely, sir.
Sorry. So once again, good afternoon to one and all. And all the participants, I would like to say thank you. And it was a wonderful feedback from participants. Before I get started, I would like to say thanks to Dr. Seema Chauhan and Team GEC Bilaspur for giving me this opportunity to speak before you in this workshop through Atal. So, as you know, AICT has a different mandate, and mandate is approval and quality improvement and also funding. So, one of them is a quality improvement. तो हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव है क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट का कि वी हैव टू ग्रूम द स्टूडेंट्स इन 360 डिग्रीज एज वेल एज टीचर आल्सो तो वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड अ क्वालिटी एजुकेशन तो एज यू नो दैट जो पहले का जो कोर्स थे पर्टिकुलरली इन कोर ब्रांचेस like core branches क्या है मैकेनिकल सिविल इलेक्ट्रिकल so in these areas admission was day by day admission is drastically reducing so AICT has decided to constitute a committee तो committee बनाए headed by B.R. Reddy they was our chairman of that committee तो the committee ने ये recommendation दिया AICT को कि we should stop to give approval in this conventional branch or core branch. So what we have to give approval? We have to give approval for emerging areas courses. Emerging areas like artificial intelligence, augmented reality and virtual reality, robotics, and like GIS, remote sensing, solar energy, robotics, Internet of Things, data science. इन सब पे अप्रूवल देने के बाद कहे थे रिकमेंडेशन में तो AICT ने इंस्टीट्यूशन को अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया थ्रू अप्रूवल प्रोसेस हैंडबुक कि आप ये कोर्सेस आप ले सकते हैं नाउ वी हैव टू स्टॉप कन्वेंशनल ब्रांचेस सो कन्वेंशनल ब्रांचेस को स्टॉप करके इमर्जिंग एरियाज में हमने उसको फ्लोट किया फ्लोट करने पे इस साल अराउंड 36,000 इमर्जिंग एरियाज में कोर्सेस इंस्टीट्यूशन ने लिए हैं पूरे ऑल ओवर इंडिया में So our target is जब emerging areas में approval दिए हैं, like emerging areas means computer science bracket में data science, computer engineering bracket में robotics या computer engineering bracket में artificial intelligence, that will be treated as a minor as of now. तो अब इसमें अप्रूवल तो दे दिए, बट अब हमारे पास पर्टिकुलरली इस फील्ड के टीचर कम हैं, सो हाउ वी हैव टू इंक्रीज टीचर। तो टीचर का को स्किल करने के लिए पर्टिकुलरली इन दिस फील्ड अटल स्टार्ट हुआ। अटल इज AICT टीचर एंड लर्निंग। तो दिस ईयर अटल का टारगेट है, इन फर्स्ट सेशन हमारे जो अथॉरिटी है उनने भी बताए होंगे कि दिस ईयर आवर टारगेट इज 500 अटल प्रोग्राम कराने हैं और टारगेट है 1 लाख टीचर को ट्रेन करने हैं। तो उसके लिए हमने ये अटल प्रोग्राम चालू किया और मैं सबसे यही उम्मीद करता हूं कि अटल मीन्स अटल बने रहो उसके लिए कि इमर्जिंग एरियाज में बच्चों को स्किल करने हैं, क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा इमर्जिंग एरिया में स्किल करेंगे एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा और वो इंटरप्रेन्योरशिप भी बन सकते हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट, क्योंकि मेन स्टेक होल्डर इज अवर डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो मैं इसके अलावा भी मैं फैकल्टी मेंबर, क्योंकि आज सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर जुड़े हुए हैं, उनसे अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा क्योंकि हमारे और भी प्रोग्राम हैं। तो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट पर्टिकुलरली फैकल्टी मेंबर who are from different institutions, kindly motivate the students for first to learn more emerging areas, even online माध्यम से भी कर सकते हैं। They can use हमारा जो पोर्टल में आप देखेंगे NEAT NEET platform. Now what is NEET platform? NEET platform is an online skill product. No doubt it is paid and some courses is without pay. That is based on artificial intelligence. तो जो NEET के कोर्सेस है, that is very very useful for students. तो आप मैं सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि काइंडली मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट टू गेट स्किल थ्रू दैट NEET पोर्टल। सेकंड, इंटर्नशिप क्या है? इंटर्नशिप आप सभी जानते हैं, ये हमारे AICT के वेब पोर्टल में है। काइंडली मोटिवेट द स्टूडेंट, करेंट स्टूडेंट एज वेल एज पास आउट स्टूडेंट ऑल्सो। वो क्या कर सकते हैं? हमारे बहुत सारे एज ऑफ नाउ नंबर ऑफ फ्लोटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज इज मोर देन द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैज रजिस्टर्ड एज ऑफ नाउ। सो मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो स्टूडेंट प्लेस्ड नहीं हुए हैं या जो करंट में है उसको मोटिवेट करिए इंटर्नशिप के लिए, क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप इज अ मैंडेटरी एज ऑफ नाउ। क्योंकि हमने क्रेडिट टोटल 160 हो गया है, पहले तो 260 था, क्रेडिट 160 हो गया है पूरे 4 साल के ब्रांच में या डिप्लोमा में भी, तो उसको इंटर्नशिप में यूज करना है। तो इंटर्नशिप पोर्टल में स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट कीजिए। स्वयं पोर्टल में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए उनको बोलिए। स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथॉन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए बोलिए, क्योंकि हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर सोल्यूशन बच्चे देते हैं, तो उससे क्या है, उनका क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग बढ़ता है। वैसे ही अभी जस्ट नाउ एक अवार्ड डिक्लेयर हुआ है, लीलावती अवार्ड। तो लीलावती अवार्ड में पर्टिकुलरली फॉर अ गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट है, और उसमें क्या है, गर्ल्स ने आसपास के एरियाज में फॉर स्ट्रेंथनिंग ऑफ गर्ल्स या फीमेल के लिए क्या क्या काम किए हैं, उसमें थ्रू इंस्टीट्यूशन उसको अवार्ड दिया जाएगा। Now again, I would like to request kindly say your student to learn by observation rather than by rote learning, क्योंकि जैसा आप जानते हैं कि हमारे न्यूटन्स ने भी ऑब्जर्वेशन से ही डिस्कवर किए लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन, आर्किमिडीज ने लॉ ऑफ फ्लोटिंग बोट, ये भी ऑब्जर्वेशन से किए। इवन आर्यभट्ट ने जीरो का जो कॉन्सेप्ट दिया, दैट इज आल्सो बेस्ड ऑन ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड प्रैक्टिकल। In addition to this, I would like to say all the faculty members kindly push the students to come out from their comfort level. एक एग्जांपल है, उसमें कंफर्ट लेवल से इसलिए आने के लिए कहना चाहूँगा क्योंकि जैसे आप देखे होंगे बेबी ईगल को मदर ईगल जो माउंटेन में रहती है, तो जब बेबी ईगल कंफर्टेबली सफिशिएंट हो जाता है फ्लाई करने के लिए, तो वो मदर ईगल बेबी ईगल को पुश कर देते हैं। तो इफ देयर इज नो ऑप्शन फॉर अ बेबी ईगल, तो वो अपना पंख ऊपर करता है, फैलाता है और वो उड़ना सीख जाता है। वैसे ही मैं फैकल्टी मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, इन दैट कोरोना सिचुएशन and that trend is changing, paradigm is shifting core branch to emerging area. So सारे फैकल्टी मेंबर से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि स्टूडेंट को काइंडली मोटिवेट करिए, काइंडली उसको इनकरेज करिए, उनको पुश करिए इमर्जिंग एरियाज में आने के लिए। वंस अगेन आप लोगों ने इन 5 दिनों में जो सीखा वो जनरल नो डाउट इट विल बी अनमोल और सारे स्टूडेंट के लिए बेनिफिशियल होंगे। Let us learn, continue to learn. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for participating in Atal program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for explaining the motivation behind the Atal scheme in a quite detailed manner. Moving ahead, with all regards, I would like to invite Shri Diwakar Mishra, retired IFS officer, State Project Administrator, SPIU Chhattisgarh, to share a few words with us.
Good afternoon to all. Respected Dhananjay Devangan ji, Secretary Technical Education, Chhattisgarh Government, Dr. Chawla sir, Dr. M.L. Agarwal sir, HOD Civil, Dr. Seema Chauhan, Associate Professor Civil, all the distinguished speakers and the participating faculty. I am very happy to be here in this 5-day AICT Atal FDP on GIS and remote sensing. This FDP has been possible due to award of NBA to Civil along with Mechanical Department of GEC Bilaspur. And now they have got 2 more NBAs. In fact, GEC Bilaspur is the first government engineering college in Chhattisgarh to get a NBA. And our GEC Jagdalpur, which is located in remote LWE infested area, has also been awarded 1 NBA in civil. So all this has been possible due to the constant guidance and motivation of our ACS Technical Education Director sir, leadership of the principals and the teamwork. This topic GIS and remote sensing is quite relevant in the present challenging times. Using this technique, Government of India has developed Arogya Setu app, which has been developed by NIC, which connects health services to people. It can keep people informed of their potential risk of infection, identify potential hotspots, and then around the location very early, which helps in taking necessary intervention to control and mitigate the spread of pandemic. It also integrates e-pass facility, which reduces hassle and helps the country in returning to normal situation with greater ease. It is also a very vital tool in strengthening the whole process of epidemiological surveillance, information management, and mapping the public health resources, specific diseases and other health events in relation to existing health and social infrastructure. When these information is mapped together, it becomes a very powerful tool for monitoring and management of pandemics and identify the catchment area of health center and locate suitable sites for the new health facility by a dynamic link between database and map. Such maps, when they are available on internet, they assist people in locating the most convenient health services easily. As has been mentioned by the AICT senior official, our TechCube 3 program also focuses on quality improvement in technical education and in the emerging areas. Our 25 faculty, they have trained in the emerging areas in different IITs, and now they are in turn teaching the students. And NESCOM is taking the midterm test and assessing the students and giving them certificates. So I hope that this FDP has been quite helpful to the faculty who have attended, and now they will use this GIS and remote sensing in their teaching and for the other development of the technology. And I hope that the participants carry forward the learning and use it in their teaching and applications. I congratulate GEC Bilaspur, the principal Dr. Chawla, Dr. M.L. Agarwal, Dr. Seema Chauhan, all the faculty who have helped in arranging in such a good webinar, Vivek Rathore, DP Singh for arranging this smooth FDP. He has been involved in so many webinars also. I wish them all very good luck and hope that the learnings which they have got from this FDP will be used in their future life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for all your kind words. Now, I consider it a great honor to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Dhananjay Devangan, IAS, Secretary, Government of Chhattisgarh, Department of Technical Education. After qualifying the most prestigious examination of India, UPSC, in the year 2004, he was allotted the Chhattisgarh cadre. He profoundly served the state while holding various key positions at different districts, which includes Collector of Kabirdham District during 2015 to 17, Collector of Bastar District during 2017 to 18, Divisional Commissioner of Bastar District, Secretary in charge of Kanker District, Secretary of Agriculture Department, and many more. During his service in Bastar District, he brought many developments like a setup proposal of 3 million ton steel capacity plant by NMDC, in road transportation, opening proposal of 650-bed medical college, one patta for 37,000 farmers, and a lot. His understanding regarding the nuances of rules make him peculiar. Even after joining the Department of Technical Education, he has brought many standard measurements looking at the current pandemic situation. So, we are truly honored to have you here for this function, and I kindly request you to share a few words with us.
कार्यक्रम को प्रिसाइड कर रहे आदरणीय मिश्रा जी, श्री वर्मा रीजनल ऑफिसर AICTE, प्राचार्य इंजीनियरिंग महाविद्यालय बिलासपुर डॉक्टर चावला, श्री सीमा चौहान कोऑर्डिनेटर, सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, सभी रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स, यंग साइंटिस्ट्स और PG स्टूडेंट्स, 5-day FDP में वर्चुअल समापन अवसर लिंक से जुड़े हुए सभी भद्रजन, यह राज्य शासन के तकनीकी शिक्षा विभाग के लिए गौरव की बात है कि शासकीय इंजीनियरिंग महाविद्यालय बिलासपुर को इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने का दायित्व AICTE के द्वारा दिया गया और इस कार्यक्रम का सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन शासकीय इंजीनियरिंग महाविद्यालय बिलासपुर के प्रिंसिपल और उनकी टीम के द्वारा किया गया। इस सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन के लिए मैं प्राचार्य, समन्वयक और उनके टीम को बधाई देना चाहूंगा। साथ ही IIT खड़गपुर, IIRS देहरादून, इसरो, स्वामी विवेकानंद टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी भिलाई, IGKV रायपुर, NIT रायपुर के एक्सपर्ट्स को धन्यवाद भी देना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स और छत्तीसगढ़ के तकनीकी विशेषज्ञों को GIS रिमोट सेंसिंग के क्षेत्र में अपना महती मार्गदर्शन दिया और उनका ज्ञान संवर्धन किया। दोस्तों, मैं थोड़ा अनौपचारिक और बहुत ही साधारण सी वार्ता करना चाहता हूं। एज यू नो, सृष्टि में सर्वश्रेष्ठ और सर्वशक्तिमान प्राणी मानव है। अन्य कोई प्राणी समानांतर भी नहीं है। यद्यपि दिमाग बहुतों में थोड़ा सा कम सही, लेकिन है, ये हम सभी जानते हैं। कारण साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का अपने हितों के लिए प्रयोग और उपयोग कोई अन्य प्राणी कदापि नहीं करता है। आपने देखा होगा, पक्षी तिनके इकट्ठा कर सुरक्षित घोंसला अवश्य बनाते हैं, किंतु तिनकों को कोई अन्य साधन के रूप में इस्तेमाल नहीं करते। अपनी देह के अतिरिक्त अन्य कोई अस्त्र शस्त्र साधन संसाधन का विज्ञान और टेक्नोलॉजी की सहायता से उपयोग केवल मानव करता है और इस सृष्टि पर राज्य करता है। इसी से सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनता है। इससे आप टेक्नोलॉजी और इंजीनियरिंग का इंपॉर्टेंस नई दृष्टि से आंक सकते हैं कि आप स्वयं कितना महत्वपूर्ण है। अब हम अपनी बात करें। वंस अपॉन टाइम क्या उत्पादन होता था ढाका में और सूरत में मलमल का? क्या प्रोसेसिंग होता था स्पाइसेस का, खाद्य पदार्थों का? क्या अद्भुत आयुर्वेद और मेडिसिन का ज्ञान भंडार था हमारे देश में? लगभग सभी शतायु होती थी। क्या युद्ध की विधाएं थी? क्या इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और एपरेटस थे? हमारा इतना कौशल था कि हमारी पताका कंधार से कन्याकुमारी तक लहराती थी। इंडोनेशिया, वियतनाम, मलेशिया, यमन, सभी में हम श्रेष्ठ थे। किंतु ये तब होता था जब हमारे पास तक्षशिला और नालंदा जैसे संस्थान थे, उन्नत प्रौद्योगिकी थी, तकनीक था, ज्ञान था। उस समय हमारे पास समृद्धि थी, वैभव था, संपन्नता थी। और इसीलिए तो ग्रीक, यवन, पोर्तुगीज, डच, फ्रेंच, ब्रिटिश हमारे पास आए, हमारे संसाधन से आकर्षित होकर, हमारी समृद्धि से आकर्षित होकर। लेकिन हमारे पास तकनीकी ज्ञान कम था, इसलिए हम पराजित हुए और लूटे गए। वरना संख्या बल में तो हम कभी भी कम नहीं थे। आज भी हमारे पास तक्षशिला और नालंदा नहीं है, तभी तो हम अकिंचन हैं, याचक हैं, कह सकते हैं दरिद्र भी हैं। पश्चिम में हार्वर्ड है, MIT है, कैम्ब्रिज है, ऑक्सफोर्ड है, इसलिए ये वैभवशाली है और शक्तिशाली है। यद्यपि धीरे धीरे IITs और IIMs अपने पुराने गौरव को प्राप्त कर रहे हैं और हम फिर से धीरे धीरे शक्तिवान हो रहे हैं, किंतु हमारी यह गति बहुत धीमी है। सूरत मैनचेस्टर में बदले, नोएडा, गुड़गांव, डेट्रॉयट बने, यह बिल्कुल भी पर्याप्त नहीं है। बल्कि राजनांदगांव का छुई खदान, जांजगीर चांपा जिले का छापा मैनचेस्टर जैसे बने, उन्नत मशीन्स उनके पास हो। राजनांदगांव दुर्ग का जो इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट है देवादा, रायपुर का जो इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट है सिलतरा, वहां ट्रैक्टर बनने की यूनिट लगे। बेलाडीला में इतना वृहद आयरन डिपॉजिट है, उत्कृष्ट कोटि का। लेकिन किरंदुल के पास स्टील फैक्ट्री लगे, मैन पार्ट में एल्युमिनियम प्लांट लगे, तब हम विकास की रेस में शामिल हो सकेंगे। दोस्तों, देश तो आतुर रहता है अंगीकार करने के लिए, आत्मसात करने के लिए। और आपको याद होगा, अधिकांश घरों के पोर्टिको में मारुति 800 का खड़ा होना और कलाइयों में HMT घड़ियों का बंधना इसका साक्ष्य है। लेकिन बड़े गौर से सुन रहा था देश, आप ही खो जाते हैं दास्ता बनाते बनाते। दोस्तों, एक जमाना था जब हर चौक चौराहे पर सिनेमा की बात होती थी, फिल्म की बात होती थी, और फिल्में भी सामयिक बनती थी। सामाजिक विकास, उत्थान और समस्याओं से सारोकार रहता था। लेकिन आज हर चौराहे पर केवल और केवल राजनीति की बात होती है, होनी भी चाहिए, लेकिन केवल और केवल राजनीति की बात होती है। राजनीति के अलावा आर्थिक सुधार, औद्योगिक विकास, पर्यावरण परिवर्तन, विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी के नए आयाम इत्यादि पर कदापि बात नहीं होती है। हमसे यही चूक हो रही है। लेकिन दोस्तों, दूसरों को दोष देना छोड़े, इसका कोई अंत नहीं है और न इससे कोई सार्थक परिणाम निकलने वाला है। अंधकार को क्यों धिक्कारें, अच्छा है एक दीप जलाएं। साक्षरता का जो सूत्र वाक्य है वो कालजयी है, हमेशा के लिए प्रासंगिक है। विज्ञान और टेक्नोलॉजी को नीरस, उबाऊ, अनाकर्षक और अति विशिष्ट जन का विषय बनाने की अपेक्षा रोचक, सरस और आकर्षक बनाने का यत्न करें। मैं सभी पार्टिसिपेंट से यही अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा, जन जन की विषय वस्तु बनाएं। प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर जयंत विष्णु नार्लिकर ने ऐसा प्रशंसनीय प्रयास किया। आज भी आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि कैसे सिद्धार्थ बसु ने कौन बनेगा करोड़पति के माध्यम से सामान्य अध्ययन और खोज के विषय को जन जन तक पहुंचा दिया गया। ऐसा ही उपक्रम, ऐसा ही आयाम, ऐसा ही प्रयास, ऐसा ही आयास चौदिशा से बहुत सारे टेक्निकल पर्सनालिटी से होने चाहिए। यकीन रखिए, इससे आपके मूल उद्देश्य व लक्ष्य से भटकन बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा, किंतु आपकी राह और दूसरों की राह और भी रोचक हो जाएगी। GIS रिमोट सेंसिंग से आपने जो अपने ज्ञान कोष में वृद्धि की, उसे मैं समझता हूं निश्चित रूप से नगर नियोजन, सिटी प्लानिंग, द्रुत औद्योगिक विकास, पेयजल दोहन के लिए रिसोर्सेज का ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन, मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन, खनिज संसाधन का दोहन, एग्रीकल्चर और एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री के क्षेत्र में सर्वाधिक सहायता प्राप्त होगी। GIS रिमोट सेंसिंग सर्वेक्षण के आंकड़ों से, आपके इनपुट से हम क्रांतिकारी परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं और सटीक लक्ष्य भेदन कर अत्यंत कम संसाधन में महत्तम लाभ अर्जित कर सकते हैं। मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट एंड यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस। एट मिनिमम कॉस्ट। आफ्टर ऑल यही तो इंजीनियरिंग है। थैंक यू। आप सभी को बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, sir, for finding time and motivating all of us from your talk. The way you have defined the glorious academic history of India and linked it with the development of country was quite commendable and inspirational. Thank you so much. Thank you again for finding time and blessing us with your presence. Thank you so much, sir. So with this, we come to the end of our this 5 days FDP journey. But before wrapping up the session, I would like to say something. The end of a story is a new beginning for many others. On this note, I would like to conclude a remarkable and knowledgeable journey of this 5 days FDP. We are sincerely thankful to all of you for being patient throughout and encouraging the morale. And now I would like to invite Preeti Rajput ma'am, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering and also the Assistant Coordinator of this FDP for the vote of thanks. Preeti ma'am.
Thank you, Deepti ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Preeti Rajput, Assistant Coordinator, want to take the opportunity to express my gratitude on this special occasion to all who have helped us in making this program a very resounding success. On behalf of Government Engineering College Bilaspur, I express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS, Secretary, Department of Technical Education, Government of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Chairman, Sri Divakar Mishra, retired IFS, SPA, SPIU Chhattisgarh, Guest of Honor, Dr. Chandrasekhar Verma, Regional Officer, CRO, AICTE Bhopal, for sparing time from their busy schedule to grace the occasion. Respected Principal, Dr. B.S. Chawla, GEC Bilaspur, respected heads of the department, faculty members, and participants, I would like to thank all the respected representatives who have blessed us with their presence. I, on behalf of GEC Bilaspur and the entire organizing team, Dr. Seema Chauhan, Coordinator, Dr. M.L. Agrawal, HOD Civil Engineering Department, Professor Aditya Singh, Faculty in Civil Engineering Department, Professor Vivek Singh Rathore, Faculty in Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Professor DP Singh, Faculty in Electrical Engineering Department, and the GECB family here together, and on my own behalf extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions. We have been fortunate to have the eminent persona from industry, academia, and utility work in the area of RS and GIS. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Dr. Ashish Joshi, Dr. Hina Pandey, Dr. Meenakshi Kumar, Dr. Ashutosh Bharadwaj, Sri K. Shivareddy, Dr. A.K. Jha, Dr. Alok Srivastav, Dr. Prashun Gupta, Dr. Manish Sinha, Dr. Vinay Pandey, Dr. Himanshu Govil, and Dr. Amba Sethi for taking interest and giving an excellent coverage and making this program a meaningful and interesting event. I'm very much thankful to the sponsor of this FDP, AICTE Training and Learning, Atal Academy. Without their generous financial support, it would not be possible to organize this FDP. I wish to express my gratitude to Dr. B.S. Chawla, Principal GEC Bilaspur, for providing encouragement to do this national level faculty development program. I am very grateful to Dr. M.L. Agrawal, Head of Civil Engineering Department, for his guidance and moral support. I extend my thanks to Professor Vivek Singh Rathore for his enormous effort for making the technical arrangement for this event, and Professor DP Singh for effort towards anchoring her with her style and own idea of explanation of everything. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation. I also extend thanks to all the faculties for their cooperation in the institution. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago, and it requires planning and a bird eye for the detail. We have been fortunate enough to have backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of GC Bilaspur who have their job and their result oriented. A big thank you to Dr. Seema Chauhan ma'am, the coordinator of this FDP, for her efforts towards organizing such a national level event and making the program a great success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our informed audience without whose participation and involvement no such program is complete. The participants were very enthusiastic and I'm thankful for them thankful to them for attending the FDP. So I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of the task beyond their comfort zone. Once again, I thank you all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Preeti ma'am. We all know that this program would not be as successful to this level without your constant support. So thank you so much. And with this, we come to the end. And thank you everyone for being our pillars and support. We wish to see you again in the future. Till then, take care. Have a healthy life ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Secretary sir. Thank you, Mr. sir. Thank you, Verma ji.